Hello and welcome to this week's MMO Devlog. As you can see, we have an entirely new map right away, and it might be a little hard to tell, but as you know, this is the old blue particle effect, and I also added a green one. So this looks a little bit different, but I'm probably gonna add a red one to replace the blue one after that. And what I'm very excited to say that I spent majority of my week on is collision now prevents sliding. I redid the entire collision system so you can't slide anymore on collisions. It also makes the collisions, before there was a small gap that would appear whenever you would collide on the sides. Now it collides more exact than that. So that's just a nice thing to have, that now there's no bugs in the game left, so I can start working on fixing the networking code. I would like to redo the character creation format and maybe add a few more options. And then I'll probably start working on items, so probably by the next time the next devlog comes out, there will be a suit of armor or something I can equip on, which that'll be nice to not be stuck with these clothes all the time anymore. And no, you can't walk into water. I might eventually make it so that you can go swimming through water and stuff, but for now I decided not to. And it's weird holding down two keys at once does that, but it's not really a priority to change that because it's rare that that happens. And so that's about all the changes I have this week. There's not much to show besides just this new map and that my collision detection's working exactly as it should now, finally. And I'm probably going to start creating my own tile set to use for building the world. So it probably won't look as nice as this one does, but it'll at least allow me to make some better areas that have more purpose to them than that. And I can probably start working on the first town in the game, which that'll be nice to have a permanent area there. And then I'm going to add a new map system that will allow going to new areas beyond just the single map. So that would be nice to see. And that's about it for this video. So thanks for watching, and if you haven't already, I would appreciate it if you would subscribe.